Yeah.
Okay, you guys. So I'm about to start my install. I had to do the first portion. Make sure all my hair is up in the back. So next, what I'm about to do is I'm about to install this cap. I'm about to install this cap. I like to just tap it all the way around to my head. That's what I'm going to do. I'm about to sew this down, y'all. And when I come back, I will show y'all. When my daughter comes. I think this should be over here. And then y'all right here. Way better. Okay. I'm a beginner, y'all. Like, true shades, a beginner. And like, me sitting here, I can feel it rolling up. And I don't like that feeling. So that's why I like to slow it down. I'm a beginner. So no beginner, I'm a true beginner. I ain't like them other ones that be saying, oh, this is beginner friendly. And you look at that shit and you be like, ain't nothing beginner friendly about that shit. So yeah, so I haven't installed a wig in a minute because I just wanted my hair to breathe, and not only that, I don't like to do too many installations. I am getting older. I have to watch the stuff that I put to my hair. So, I'll be back. You back to show y'all how I sewed it in. I'm only gonna tap it. Oh, okay, y'all, guys. So I just did the little tap around the whole thing in place. This is how I do it. Everybody got their own way. And this is the install that I am installing. It's a 360 wig. Let's get to doing it, y'all, because it's like after 8 o'clock at night. I gotta be up by 8. This takes a minute to do. It does. So, I'll be back to show y'all some more. Okay, y'all, so this is me showing y'all the fit before I do the installation. I'm trying to see where the stuff is. Right here. Yeah, this wig right here, it has to be installed. If not, it'll come off. Okay, and then guys, I bought this new wig glue. Like, it's supposed to be really good. Damn. This is the wig glue. It's water and oil resistant and waterproof. which y'all know why they put the oil, because of the fact that people order their scalp and all that kind of stuff and wash their hair before they install a lace wig. Because you can wear a lace wig up to me personally, uh, depending how it come out, because I am a beginner, guys. So, depending on how, it is. Like, let me see. I think I wore one for like, oh, I wore one for like 7 days. That was the most I think I ever wore one. And what happened is I installed that because it was my birthday. So I was like, I had this special big set aside. What is going on with this, y'all? Oh, it's inside some type of case. So, look at this. Oh, it got it. Okay. I should put that in the title. Look how it came out. From the 80s. Y'all. Okay. Exactly. That's to help you apply it. It's a building process. Should get it. Yeah, it's a building process, guys. This is a process. I am a beginner. I'm showing y'all as much as I could because I can't hold y'all no more than 20 minutes. Where's the love at? I had a feeling that's where her stuff was from. Like, cause I seen that box. That's an Amazon box. I say no. Look how I had to rip this totally apart to just get this shit out. But you know what? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I had this glue for about a couple months now. Oh, it looked like it came out. Look. Like it came open or something. So the next thing I'm about to do is. Okay, yeah. I was talking about using it on my feet. Nice. Oh yeah, we was there. Remember I went there with Shantae? Yeah, that's Shantae doing that. Shantae really looked out for you that day. What? Next. And then my first one I got from Alex. It's a little something sweet for our sweetie, but she made me go Alex. She not can't say her own name. Yeah, y'all, it busted open. Somebody else contributed to the gift card. Okay, you might have to read that. Crazy. And then Anaya. So what I'm gonna do? Let me see how I'm gonna do this. You got this. Thank you, Anaya. I'm trying to show y'all as much as I can. And then I'm gonna come back. Thank you, Anaya. My little pink my little PJs I got from Desiree. And it came with like a little spatula. A little spatula. So what I'm going to do is, because I wanted this glue, especially because of the fact that I sweat. I sweat. I went to Coney Island, y'all. When I tell y'all my wig was tripping, that motherfucker was sliding and shit. I was mad as hell. I was like, motherfucker, I ain't shit the motherfucker wore this motherfucker wig. Okay. My books came from Felicia Gear. Okay, one of the books. Enjoy your gifts. Nobody. Thank you, Felicia. She got me yours. Oh, she got you all the books. Oh, wow, okay. Okay, y'all. I'll be doing this. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. I'm gonna do it the best way I can, y'all. So, see y'all in a minute. Think of me anymore. Do you? Congratulations. Heard that you just had a baby girl. If she look anything like her mother, she's the prettiest thing in the world. I swear I'm not trying to start no trouble. Tell your fiancé he can't relax. I'll leave you alone for good, I promise. I just gotta rest. I just wonder, do you ever think of me anymore? Do you? Too many times I made you cry, and I don't mean to mess you up. I just wonder if I ever crossed your mind. I just think of me anymore. Yeah, I just want. Do you think? Do I just wonder, do you ever think of me anymore? Do you? Yeah, yeah. Distant lover. Ooh, so many miles away. And I'm wrong for you. Every night, do the things, distant love. You think about me, say a prayer for me. Please, please, babe, think about me sometime. So we get this process right here, y'all. I'm going down the front. I'll be back. But you know you got to come back. Really want it, but you belong to somebody else. But we can act on it. But you belong to somebody else. To somebody else. But you belong to somebody else. Yeah, I know. Okay, you guys, so let me tell you the situation. It's 10:26. I've been working on his head since like around probably a little after 8 o'clock. So I had ordered this new glue. It's supposed to be good. It's supposed to be good for like waterproof, sweat or whatever. And I tend to sweat hard up here and in the back of my neck. So I ordered the waterproof glue. So I never opened it when I first got it, guys. So I just opened it tonight. I guess the lid wasn't on all the way because I was trying to get it out the box and the glue it had done came out and it had done spilled out. Like it was fucked up. And it just fucked it all up. So I'm really having a hard time with this install. I tried to find my other wig glue. I cannot find that bottle, not nowhere, y'all. Not nowhere. I do not know where that glue is at. Like, I looked everywhere through everything, and I do not know where that glue could possibly fucking be. I'm about to look one more place. So far I got the front done, but it's a mess because of the glue. I don't even know. I don't even know how this install is going to come out. This is a 360. Like I said, this is the first time that I ever installed a 360, which I didn't think would be this hard. But I think what made it hard was the fact that the glue was messed up. So instead of me just saying no, don't go forward with it, I didn't know that it was going to be this. It would have turned out this way. So basically, I'm still in the midst of doing my hair. I'm taking a little break. It's 10:29. I'm taking a break. And then I gotta go back and do the back. I still gotta do back here, right here, and all the way back here. Like, I gotta do the back. So I'm like, I'm gonna take a little break. And then I'm just going to take like a little half-hour break or whatever. And then I'm going to come back with a part 2. And that will be the last part. Because y'all know I can only hold y'all at 20 minutes at a time. So I figured, I don't know where the fuck that glue is at. But I'm going to look at this one more thing. I hope I can find it because if not, I don't know how this is going to turn out in the back. So, and I went through so much just to get this shit on my head. So, I'm kind of like low-key pissed. But it's okay because I don't know what it's going to turn out and look like, y'all. I'm going to be real with y'all. I'm going to show y'all the real results. But it's not a total loss because of the fact that I have shampoo and conditioner, wig shampoo and conditioner, that all the little stuff that I put around to fit my head, all of the glue and the melting spray and stuff like that is easy to wash off. So therefore I can next time it'll already be like it's I mean, I did a good job, like, as far as the front. I feel as though I did. but the glue is what's fucking it up. So I don't know. But anyway, I will bring back a part 2 so y'all can see the bag. I'm gonna let y'all see the front. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like I told y'all, I'm a beginner. So yeah. So I'll see y'all again in part 2. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and let me get a thumbs up. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. It's fucking 10:30, y'all. Oh my god. And I gotta be up really early in the morning. Alright, y'all.